If you rub a balloon on your hair and bring it near small paper pieces, you will observe that the balloon pull the paper without you touching it. The question is, why is this balloon pulling paper without you touching it? What is acting in the space between them? There's an invisible force field around charges, and today we will learn how to measure its strength. So ensure you stay to the end of the video to get the full gist. Let's get to the video. Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the first time I come to this channel. Here we make mathematics, statistics and physics easy. So feel free to click on the subscribe button to join the learning community. So now in today's video we're talking on electric field intensity. Electric field intensity can be defined as the force per unit positive charge at a point, meaning our electric field intensity E equals to what? The force per unit charge or per unit positive charge at a point. So meaning our electric field intensity E is equals to F over Q. So now, in this channel, we always make things easier for the students. So I'll give you the SI unit of these three physical quantities here. The SI unit for electric field intensity. First, SI unit for force is equals to Newton, bracket N, and the SI unit for charge, Q, is equals to Coulomb, bracket capital letter C. So if the SI unit for force is Newton and the SI unit for charge, so if the SI unit for force is Newton and the SI unit for charge is Coulomb, meaning the SI unit for electric field intensity will be what? This is force over charge to be E equals to Newton over Coulomb. So therefore, the SI unit for electric field intensity is Newton per Coulomb. So I've gotten the SI unit for these are our three components. Now, remember that today I also show you guys how to find the electric field intensity of point charges, both a positive charge and a negative charge. But first, let me show you a diagram of the positive point charge and a negative charge. Let's do that now. So now let me show you the diagram of an electric field around a unit positive charge. So this is our positive charge, right? And this, we have this. Because it's a unit positive charge, the arrows will be pointing outwards. So the arrows are pointing outwards. Now let me show you that for a unit negative charge. We have this for unit negative charge, negative, this, 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 and this. Just like positive charge is pointing outward, obviously negative charge will point inward, sorry. So this is an electric field. Around unit charges. So this is an electric field around unit charges. This is a unit positive charge, this is a unit negative charge. Unit positive charge points outward, while unit negative charge points inward. So take note. Now, what I say I'll show you. I'll give you the formula to calculate an electric field intensity for a unit positive charge. So the formula is E equals to KQ over R square. As usual, I always define my parameters. E is our electric field intensity. We all know that from our previous class. Q is our charge, and the SI for our charge is Coulomb. R is our distance. So R equals to distance. This is something new. That's why I noted it down. And our K is what? Our constant. K is our constant. And yeah, the constant. So our K equals to is equals to 9 times 9. This is our K. Our 9 times 10 raised to power 9. Our K is 9 times 10 raised to power 9. Now let's solve few examples so you can understand this better. Let's get to the examples. Okay, so we have two examples. Let's tackle it together. First example says a charge of 2 coulomb experiences a force of 8 Newton. Calculate the electric field intensity. So let's do it together. So we have solution. Let's say a charge of 2 coulomb. And from the beginning of this class, I said that the symbol for charge is what? Q. So given. Ensure you watch this video that is playing on the screen right now. This video is very, very important. This video will change your perspective about physics. The way you think physics is difficult, physics is not difficult, physics is very, very easy. Because in this particular video that is playing right now on the screen, this video is going to show you how to guess your method, guess your way to the right answer in physics. If you watch this video, you will learn how to use the guess method to solve all physics problems. So ensure you watch the video displayed on the screen right now. Let's go back to the video. So we have what? Given. Our given is what? Charge Q equals to 2 coulomb. Especially a force of 8 Newton. So what? Force F equals to 8 Newton. He said we should calculate the electric field intensity. So that is E, unknown. And formula for electric field intensity is what? Equals to F over Q, right? That is 8 over 2, which is equals to 4 Newton per coulomb. So we are done with example 1. This is how easy electric field intensity is. Just know the concepts, know the method, know the formula, and how to apply them. You're good to go. So now let's go to our example 2. So we have example 2 here. Example 2, they said what? We should calculate a charge produces an electric field intensity of 4.5 times 10 raised to power 9 Newton per coulomb. Or let's do it together. So back to example 2. Example 2 says a charge produces an electric field intensity of 4.5 times 10 raised to power 9 Newton per coulomb at a distance of 2 meters. Find the value of the charge. So they said what? Electric field intensity, meaning our E is what? 4.5 times 10 raised to power 9 Newton per coulomb. Our distance is what? R is what? 2 meters. We should calculate the value of charge, that is Q, equals to unknown. So remember that our constant is 9 times 10 raised to power 9. I said that earlier. So now, what is the formula? Formula is electric field intensity E equals to KQ over R square. This is the formula for electric field intensity at a unit positive charge. So electric field intensity around unit charges. This is the formula. I explained this earlier. But so what I'm looking for? Looking for Q, not E. So let's make Q select the formula to make our work neat. So Q equals to E R square over K, right? E is what? 4.5 times 10 raised to power 9 times R is what? 2 square all over K is what? 9 times 10 raised to power 9. So if you point that, your final answer will give you 2 coulomb because the unit for charge is coulomb. So these are you tackle all problems on electric field intensity. So if you know you enjoyed this video and you've learned basic principles of electric field intensity, ensure you subscribe to the channel to be notified when I drop more epic videos. I also like this video so it can be pushed to others so they can also learn the basics of electric field intensity. Thanks for watching this video and see you in my next video. Bye.